We're going to Cebu! Yay! Nagkita-kita na lahat. Everyone's here.
Ayos. Ano ba ang ano?
6:10. 6:10 ang boarding.
Okay. Eh, tayo lang ba?
Ha? Tayo yung first batch eh. So we're finally on the plane. This is Gabby and Isabel. Let's go. Okay, so we're now here in Cebu and this is the bus for the family. Aba, naka-wonderful tonight na. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy with the bus. We're going on a 2-hour road trip. So it's our first day in the safari. We are doing a safari tour today. The weather is gorgeous.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to
Babe!
Si Mama yung silipin daw niya yung leon.
Ayun o!
Oh, sasabihin na, gusto daw po ni Mama yung lips niya daw yung leon. Ayan na, babe. Okay.
Saan upo si Mama?
Okay.
Alright!
Okay, so hi everyone, good morning, welcome to African Savannah. For your safety and comfort, no standing while the tram is moving. Do not try to reach the animals inside, and also no flash photography. And by the way, I'm Earl, I'm your tour guide for this tour. Thank you! We'll start with those on the right side, those with reddish brown color. Those are the blasbak. Okay, so the word blasbak, it came from a Dutch term for blaze, which refers to the white forehead. So yung isa po dyan na hindi pa white yung face niya is bata pa po yan. And then blasbak, they can run for up to 70 kilometers per hour and has an average lifespan of up to 20 years. And next that we have, those with light brown color, those are the impala. Okay, so impala, they are one of the fastest antelope. They have a speed of 90 kilometers per hour. Also, the impala, they can jump for up to 3 to 4 meters in height and up to 10 meters in length. Start with those two brown colored antelope with horns. Those are the eland. So eland, they are the second largest antelope in weight and size. Makaweigh sila for up to 1,000 kilograms. And then the eland they are still domesticated in some regions in Africa for their meat and milk. Since their milk also, it is 3 times more nutritious compared to a cow's milk.
3 times more nutritious yung milk nila kesa sa cow's milk. Pero ang barley, 11 times more ang calcium.
In years, it's longer in the wild.
Sakto ng tunay nito.
Okay, and that group of antelope are the greater kudu. Okay, so greater kudu is they're the tallest and longest horned antelope, but only the male lang po has the horn. Tapos horns ng male, it can grow for up to 6 feet, maximum na yan, and it will twist pa spiral once every 2 years. Their stripes also, they use it to camouflage. Sorry. And also, they would become motionless whenever they see a predator or sense a threat. Okay, and right next we have the wildebeest.
Oh,
They have gray color and bended horns. Tapos they are also known as the clown of savannah due to the weird dance move that the male would perform during mating season, so para ma-attract yung mga female. And then sila din yung nagmamigrate annually dun sa Africa after nung rainy season nila. A million of them together with other African animals. Tapos it is known as the Great Migration of Antelope. And then fun fact, if ever you're familiar of the movie Lion King, they're the ones who actually killed King Mufasa on that movie. So then they have a speed of 80 kilometers per hour. Their average lifespan up to 20 years. And our highlight here, we have a total of 8 zebra. So zebra is they are black covered with white stripes. Tapos their stripes are unique, same as our fingerprint. So there's no two zebra that has the same stripes.
Yes.
And then they can sleep also while standing, same sa mga horse. So your left, lastly, those are the gemsbuck or the oryx gazelle. Okay, so horns of the gemsbuck, it can grow for up to 33 inches or up to 3 feet. They also have the ability to survive for almost 1 year without drinking any water.
So now we are going to the crocodile area. Ooh, oh my gosh.
Saltwater crocodiles from Palawan.
Saltwater crocodiles from Palawan.
And if you wanna try, you can
Oh
buy
my.
a piece of chicken to feed them.
Oh wow,
Yeah,
we wanna see that. Oh, guys, we are going to feed the crocodile. Nanay will buy. I'll buy 500 pieces tuloy. 500 pesos. So magbabayad tayo kay ate. Siya ang restaurant dito sa mga crocodile. Okay. Oh, good. Maayong buntag sa inyong tanan. Buntag ba yan? Maayong buntag sa inyong tanan. Okay.
I'm scared.
Here in Cebu Safari, it's so nice because talaga na-feed mo yung animals and then at the same time, naglalakad ka tapos nakikita mo lang sila. Hindi sila cage, sila ay nasa, ano bang tawag dito? Nature talaga.
Hi, kids, dito po tayo.
Simba!
Hooray!
Why aren't we allowed to touch Simba? He'll bite us. Or he will.
That's why there's water so the lion cannot go. Oh no! Oh look, it's turning into an kisay, 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 kisay. Kisay, kisay. Magbabari si
My baby!
This is the Fantas monkey. So now, it's so nice because the animals are so near. Even if, for example, sa ibang zoo, nakakita ka na ng ganun. But I think yung fact na magkasama yung family, diba? Yun yung masaya for the kids. And this is priceless. This is our lunch area here at Cebu Safari. This is Mama Eva's birthday lunch, hosted by Lolo and Lola May and Lola Rafi. Yeah. Here's everyone. Thank you so much. Ang mga nag-arrange ng lahat, everything is perfect. Thank you. Kat, are you eating well? Okay. Oh, yes. Perfect, Noah. Ang ating mga young at hearts. Eating there. And babe.
Nilaga sa sabaw ng buko.
Wow! So we have the jam. Napakasarap at fresh ng gulay. Walang exaggerate ako kumain yung buong lahat ng yan. Ito yung evidence. Oh my gosh. So this is a nice lunch place. Everyone's happy.
Akala namin yung mga binatat dalaga ang gagawa nito.
Yan pala.
Bakit ba yung lolo ang ginagawa nito? Tulog na yung lolo eh.
Oh, okay sir. Sino mo yung likod ni sir? Yan lang.
Okay naman.
Thank you babe for doing this with me.
Sa unang release, yakap muna.
Unang release sir. Okay na yan sir. 100%.
Oo.
Enjoy na kayo sir.
Okay.
Oh my God!
Bakit?
Guess what? Nag-brown out.
Ano naman na masama?
Yeah, pero can you imagine if nandun tayo nakabingit tapos bigla nag-brown out?
Di shoe.
I-release?
Wala nang problema yun.
Itutulak na lang si Swing. Ganon. Babe, kumusta ka?
Okay.
May parang tunog na klak, klak, klak.
Natural lang yun.
Okay ba yung tunog na yon? Currently, I'm making peace with myself.
Bismillah.
Bismillah.
Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar!
Ang ganda! Thank you, babe. Masaya siya. Yung una lang talagang
May iwan yung kaluluwa
Oo,
mo
doon sa
sa
una eh.
tapos hahabol.
Etong ano na to, grabe, magical. Oh, babe, yay!
Galing.
Wow. This is the second largest zip line in the whole of Philippines.
Ilan po, sir?
Oo.
So, less na yung kaba dito kasi lahat nung kaba na max out na dun sa una. Eto, parang ready ka na for the thrill. Kumbaga na warm up ka na, excited ka na for the next adventures na pwede mong gawin. Gaano kabigat yung kaya nito?
800 kilos.
Wala naman akong 800 kilos, no? Sige,
Babe, sa kabila ka.
Sir, doon ka po, sir.
basta ako, enjoy ko lang. Gaganon lang ako, diba?
So, yung isang lanyard po, sir, sa likod po natin nalagay kasi sa weight.
Okay.
Question, yung paa ko, anong gagawin ko sa paa ko?
Taas nyo lang po, ma'am. Wala ka na pong gagawin. Ready, ma'am?
Sandali lang. Hold on. Babe, ano, ready?
Game. 1, 3, 2, 1.
Bagal ako, mabagal!
Bilis mo, babe!
Alam mo kung saan ako natakot? Nung dumikit yung magnet, tapos nag-click. Kasi di ba hindi ko nga nakikita din nakatalikod ako. Sabi ko, oh my God, bumutok yata yung isang line.
Okay, babe.
Okay. Yay!
Babe.
So, alam mo, feeling ko na nasa extra challenge ako ngayon.
Medyo nervous din ako dito.
Yung bike natin, sir, is no need to balance. Ang kailangan talagang gawin, pika lang dandahan, bawal pumisan. Kasi katulad na nakita nyo, aalog yung cable po, sir.
Okay.
Pag natatakot, sir, huwag tumingin sa baba. Straight ahead, building to building lang po. Mag-stop
Okay.
tayo doon, magpabaliktad ng bike, papunta dito.
Okay. Wala naman, hindi naman gumagalaw eh. Para lang tayong namamasyal. Hello, babe.
Maayong hapon!
Pare! Magandang hapon! Mabuhay! Mabuhay po! Kamusta po? Ayos! Okay. Wait lang.
Oh my God!
Sir, pwede na.
Yung ganito ko, ganun-ganun siya. Di ka kinabahan kahit konti?
Kinakabahan, siyempre.
Okay. Pero nagawa na natin. Madali na yung pabalik.
Yes!
Kasi nagawa siya. So maganda po yung view. Maganda. Pero hindi ko kaya na tumingin sa iba. Gusto ko straight lang ako. Eye on the prize. Okay, sasakay na po ba? Sasakay na po?
Oo, babe.
Okay.
Pwede na po tayo magsimula. Ready na po ba?
Oo.
Okay. Okay na? Okay, good luck. Enjoy!
Babe, mas madali yung pabalik. Ano?
Oo. Mas madali yung pabalik. Mag-isa na lang pumedal.
Oo, mas madali yung pabalik. Tapos,
Hindi, sir. Ayos, tol. Oo. Okay.
okay. Thank you, babe. There's like a lot of different kinds of animals. Kids and kids at heart will enjoy for sure. It's not only mga animals, but there are also activities that you can do. And the place is really well kept. Maganda. World class. Ganon. Na pwede mo talagang dayuhin sa Cebu.
Yung boses ko, pero para sa inyo, sasabihin ko ang nakakapagdapat sabihin. Mabilis ang panahon, mabilis ang pera, pero huwag mag-alala dahil nandyan si Mama Eva!
Gusto ko lang malaman mo, Mother. Kami, wala kang pagkukulang sa amin. Kami, marami kami pagkukulang sa iyo. Sorry, Ma.
Mama, I love you so much. And if there is another life, and yes, there is another life, you will be the mother that I will welcome again.
Hindi namin naibigay yung panahon para sa kanya. Ang aking dalangin ay mas lumakas pa. Ang pagsipa, ang pag-jog. Jogging din. Pag-jogging. Para mas maiparamdam pa namin sa'yo yung aming mga pagkukulang ng panahon na hinahabol-habol nyo kami ng shotgun, baby! Yung Fernando po Jr. na combination yung sa chan. Tapos yung ganun na pera. Ginawa niyo po sa akin yun. Mamaya wala ba ang gawa niyo sa totoong buhay? Mamaya ba hindi magiging masaya ang buhay ko kung wala ka?
Kahit yung mamaya ba naging matapang po ako, thank you, Ma. Nadala ko po.
You made mom the strongest person, you make me the strongest person. So thank you so much for that. I love you so much.
Ma, happy 88th birthday. I love you all.